Right, finally in this video. So all we've been waiting for, the engine swap for these starliners. Mind this video, this ain't gonna be done in a day, a week, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know, but yeah. As today, we're gonna pull this out and see what we can do with the engine. Do that. Spend a couple of days on cleaning it up. My dad's gonna do a live stream, so yeah. So go watch it out if you haven't watched it, because this video won't be uploaded for a bit. A lot of editing, but yeah, getting ready to move Shrek here so we can get ready for the engine pull. Move some stuff because yours truly is gonna go ahead and steer oh Shrek. Yeah, y'all been waiting for this day. Me did. Here we go. Oh, I got the steering wheel loose. That's absolutely my bad. Now Shrek is moving. Now you better go on that post, mate. We got a steering wheel pull out there though. I can hear my pedal. What? I apologize that the crappy camera work. Yeah, my brakes don't work. Didn't make nonsense to who? What did he do? So
now I need to get on the front and we pull that way.
Okay.
And it didn't run.
Yeah, totally watch this live stream for some peak. That sketchy thing gonna pull it out of diesel and stuck. Look nice here though.
I don't think this thing...
Got the engine pulled. Don't know if I made a clip for this yet, but yeah, Shrek engine is no longer Shrek's engine no more. You can see the old FE engine down in there. Still don't know what year and stuff, but yeah, you can see how dirty and grimy this is. You're probably getting excited to watch the pressure washing for this. It ain't gonna be one until we put the Y block into here. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little live stream. You probably already saw it. If you have not, you might as well go watch it. Pulling back Shrek into its old spot. Except it'll be facing this way, our way. Yeah, I'll show you a clip after that. But yeah, looking pretty nice and stuff here. But it ain't gonna last here for long. It going back. Bye bye Shrek. Now I was trying to get the purple starliner over here. After we work on this, we need distributor, we need the carburetor, we need the you know, the rest of the goody goodies. Yeah. Right. So let's go ahead and I'll see you guys when it... Alright, it's about time to get this valve, sorry, not valve cover, but intake off. So I'm gonna go ahead, instead of, you know, work smarter, not harder, this is gonna lift it off for me. I am done lifting these off by hand, so I'm gonna do this. All right, also forgot, gotta take off the rockers because the push rods go through the intake, like my cool little way to keep them not, or you know, yeah, these look pretty tasty to me. Not as bad as that engine. These bolts still have oil on them, and yeah. Last off, you know, you can deal with this crap no more, but Yep, my cool little way of getting this. Moment of silence, because look at those gaskets. Moment of silence of respect for the loss of those gaskets. Alright. Yeah, that's a bit disappointing. My least favorite part about doing intakes is that and how freaking heavy they are. Alright. Huge shout out to the, I forgot your name, really apologize. Alright, got it mostly cleaned off. Sorry about the plane noise. Must be like a basement or a airport nearby where I like flying lessons and stuff. Because I hear that quite often here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blow compressed air through all the ports on there. I know there's no debris, dirt, or crap, and that would need to be lowered. I can readjust it. Wait for it to build up some pressure. There we go. Okay, I got some. So. Hey, saw that? Missed it. I gotta put my phone away so I don't descend. Yeah, I'll go look around in stores and see tomorrow for RTV and stuff, because I like to just change my coins into cash tomorrow and stuff. That'd be pretty cool. And well, I don't know, really close, change the plugs, you know, regular old plugs, same as the truck. Maybe, I don't know, smaller gaps because it's a car. I don't know if you want smaller or bigger gaps for a car engine and stuff, but yeah, it's all pretty much prepped to get all back together now, except I need to clean that side a bit more and stuff. Need to make sure we find a working fuel pump. Gonna loosen that for now so we don't have to struggle when it's on the car. Hardware we need to go find, like the valve covers. I need to go find the bolts for the flywheel that goes onto there, then the all the clutch stuff and bell housing bolts and stuff. We got some bell housing footage.
Oh, you know what?
Yeah. Oh.
That window's open a little.
I can't close anymore.
So I better watch out for that area.
Yeah. They don't like to close. At least it's not as bad as the green card's gap. Dirty. Oh yeah. Also, water goes into the trunk. That's also cool. Yeah. Pretty cool. All right. Of course, if you watched the live stream, you would know brakes. Leaf doing this. You want to guess what this is from? You're probably right. But yeah, I tried to do these brakes, simple brakes. I thought they'll be the, you know, later style with the, you know, bolts in the back. No, not only. All of the springs and stuff are here were snapped and broken. All the shoes are garbage. Probably for the passenger side too. The wheel cylinder is, you know, there's a bolt above it. Here's this, and there's a bolt. You get it. You get a good idea. I'll probably have to show you for passenger side after I learn to do the driver's side. It's around $40 for the pair of cylinders. I'm going to try to find cheaper ones, but find hardware and yeah, hopefully try to get it working. I don't want to look at the rear because they're probably around the same, but hopefully that side is because the wheel cylinder been leaking and leaking for the last who knows how long, but yeah, cleaned Christine up, and yeah, you can see it cleaned. We didn't drive her sadly, but yeah, I guess this was a white top roof. It had a red hood with a hood scoop on it, red fenders. It was really a nice looking steel wheels like those. Yeah, it was really nice looking. Found some old pictures, and yeah, still nothing on him. You feel bad for Shrek there. Mean, look at him. Mean, take a bit longer than I thought. Also, once again, the pilot bearing for the engine. I don't know how and how to figure out the right pilot bearing and stuff, but figure out somehow. Then the engine will be ready. The mount with the transmission. Need have a good starter, have a good alternator. Plug wires is good. Plugs good. Carburetor, fuel pump, probably just use that truck one too, but yeah, I think it's doing all right. Didn't hit nothing big wall that's gonna cost me so much money that I have to retire. Oh wait, I'm not employed, but look at the geese. Right, see us. Oh, maybe taking that side off. It's the day before Halloween. Saturday's November, and yet you can see the car here. Looks like somebody wants to ruin the hood. It's the Harbor Freight thing. Whoa. But yeah, you can see still no engine in there. I don't know if the wheel cylinder's leaking or not on the outside. Probably had to do rear brakes, but let me go tell you what's going on right now and stuff. Let me go get in the hoop shed. Huh. Truck here. Yeah, our batteries are junk. I can't try to start it. I think also I need gas and stuff, but there's no good batteries we can try to crank it to try to start it. It's just, I don't know. I mean, this drove a bit, but I don't want to continue putting patch panels on here. It's just gonna be a property truck, and why put the time into it putting panels on it and metal on there just for a drive around? I think for now, until we really want to do something else with it, floors are good enough. I mean, it has a mismatching bed here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know, because next year I have the troubling choice to either start college or I don't. I don't want to do college because that's going to take a lot of time up for what? The minimum wage. I mean, it wasn't sounding very exciting what if you guys can give me suggestions, just let me know in the comment section below. Live streams, I don't know, I'll try to do some live streams, but until I can start getting money, I don't know what I can really do, because, well, I mean, I need my dad's help to do that car and stuff. I know I could do the Sunliner, but starting it up, that's it. That's not what I really... Which next year, getting OBS forward, which would be pretty good, because there'll be, I don't know, I'll make some good content, then earn some money for a project vehicle, because, remember, I'm broke. I mean, I do, but all of these need significant work to them. Engine, transmission, everything, bodywork. Oh, that's a lot of work. I just wanted to start simple, I guess not. Well, got Christine done. No one seemed to enjoy that series. No one seemed to enjoy Christine driving and stuff. Sunliner probably the same. This truck, I don't know, probably the same. Ruby, no one seemed to like it. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy this part one of this video, this little of the Starliner. I don't know what else I filmed for it, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm very sorry about it all, this not uploaded and not complete, but hey, once you're unemployed and doing school and stuff, well, you're doing dual enrollment and stuff in college and high school at the same time. than not having your own vehicle, project vehicle. I think it's hard. I mean, you guys were young once. You guys had a camera. So, I mean, I hope you guys understand and hopefully share with your friends and family. Well, see you sometime. Oh, where's my insurance? Where's my insurance at? Nope. Oh, there's my insurance.